My name is Dan Bruder, and I created the Blendification system because I believe that businesses aren't reaching their full potential. Think about capitalism. Capitalism was a system designed to create a better society, and business is a microcosm of capitalism. So your business has the responsibility to positively impact its employees, customers, and communities. The Blendification system activates potential by connecting culture, strategy, and execution. I've seen several books written about culture, others written about strategy, and even others written about how you execute. But I've seen nothing that connects every one of these together, that combines these, makes these one. The Blendification system blends these together as if they're one unified aspect of an organization. So your culture really sets up your strategy, and your strategy links your culture to your execution. The execution really feeds your culture. It becomes your culture. That's what the Blendification system does. And it uses the strategy whiteboard to do that. And the strategy whiteboard is the tool that we use within the Blendification system to connect culture, strategy, and execution and empower your team to accomplish greater things. Now, I need to caution you too. The Blendification system isn't for everybody. It's a systematic process that aligns everyone in your organization, that empowers your people through roots groups so that they can align, they can work together, and they can accomplish some tremendous things through their work. And that's what we're really trying to accomplish. We're empowering people to empower others and create better outcomes within your organization. That's the Blendification system. So I encourage you to take a look at the Blendification system and explore whether or not this is something that you want to commit to within your organization and have a greater impact on your employees, customers, and communities.